Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, in Islam we have something known as a Mahr. A Mahr does not translate as a dowry, but it is a form of a gift that is given by the groom to the bride. And it is the sole belonging of the bride. She owns it completely. No one has a say in what should happen in it besides her. It should be paid, it is payable. If someone doesn't pay it, she does have the right to get that marriage at some point nullified, if that's what she wants. Now, what we need to realize is there are certain people who follow cultures and traditions beyond that. So anything that's coming from the bride to the groom is actually a cultural or a traditional thing. What some cultures have done, they've made it so difficult for people to get married that they ask the bride's father to give a load of money or a lot of things to the groom, and they call it a dowry. Islamically, that is not something taught by the Qur'an or the Sunnah or the practice of the Prophet ﷺ or the Sahaba or the earliest generations. May Allah be pleased with them. So remember that what is taught by the Qur'an and Sunnah is that the male has to give the female, the groom has to give the bride an amount which is known as the Mahr. It will be determined by the bride's family and she is owed it, subhanallah. She is owed that. And mostly it is paid at the time of the nikah or the officiation of the marriage. At times it is agreed that part payment will be later. Sometimes it is waived by the bride, and she is the only one who can actually waive that at that point. And we ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide us all. The reason why I'm mentioning this is because of late there have been a lot of people saying that the bride owes the groom so much. You need to buy the groom, for example, a house or furniture or a car or a mobile phone or whatever. There is no such condition in Islam. Islam teaches you exactly what I've told you. The rest of it would be a cultural form of gifting. And a gift, as you know, is something that comes from the heart. Sometimes people in those cultures look forward to a lot of money and they want to basically seize the opportunity to sell the person by gaining things. You say, if I'm not going to get this, I'm not giving you my daughter. Well, why are you selling your child? Islam doesn't teach that. May Allah bless us all. May Allah grant us the ability to love our children enough to get them married to good people, even if we're not going to gain financially from it. In fact, you're not supposed to be looking at financial gain at all, but you're supposed to be looking at whether the person is good, they have the connection with Allah, they have good character and conduct. Let it happen. That is when you will achieve success in this world and the next. May Allah bless us all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.